guys, today I'll be showing you how to create a calculator with HTML, CSS, and with HTML and then JavaScript. Maybe I'll just do the front end for now. I'll just show you how it works, how the thing is done. So let's get started. I'll call this our calculator. So inside here, I'll be using input tags for getting our values to be calculated. So let's get started. I'll use input tags, type number, enter. Sorry, I'll use a placeholder, enter, and give it ID of num1. I'll just copy this and paste it again. And give it an ID of num2. So before that, I'll use h1 tags. Yeah, I'll use it. Or let me just use ordered lists, and I will say addition, and say subtraction, multiplication, and division. Sorry. Yeah, so let's preview this. I'm using VS Code, so I'll be using live server. These are our numbers. So let me do this. Let me add one input tag before these ones, and set type text, and then I'll give it a placeholder and say enter operation number, and then give it an ID of choice. Below here, I'll use a break tag, and then use a button, give it a name of, give it results, and then I'll get an input tag. Let me just use an h1 tag, a blank h1 tag, and give it an ID of results. Let's preview how it looks like. So this is it. Enter operation number, enter number, another number, and then you click results. So let's get started with the functionality. So for the functionality, I'll have to give this button a JavaScript event listener. I'll say on click, I'll give it a function, any function, calculate. So below here, I'll do my script from here. I'll say function calculate, and I'll first of all get these values for the operation, the first and second number. So I'll say var num1 equals to document dot get element by ID. Let me first copy this. Control C. For var num1, I'll get the ID of this first number, which is num1. and say num2 equals to I'll get num2, and then I'll say var choice. Sorry, equal to, I'll get the ID of this, which is choice. Save. So let's start with the functionality. Then first of all, I'll first console log the type of our choice. Without a type of our choice, I'll say type of choice. Save this, and let me go to my console. Let me enter operation number. Let me say 2. But first of all, let me go to my developer tools and check our console. Let me click results. So our type of choice is an object. So let me see whether it works out. It's an object. How about if I just do this, add dot value to all of them, and we see whether it's changing. Control C. Let me run it again. Let me set 3. Let me set 3, and then result. It's a string. Okay. So let me see. It's a string. So let's start. I'll do this. I'll use if statements. I'll just say if choice is equal to 1. I'll do this. I'll create a variable for answer is equal to num2 num1 plus num2. Remember, our number 1 was addition, so I'll be adding, and then after getting our answer, I'll be appending this result in my h1 tag. This h1 tag here, I'll be appending it here. So I'll say first, let me first get this. Well, results is equal to document by ID. So I'll be getting the ID of this h1 tag, which is results. So I'll append our answer to the h1 tag. I'll say results dot inner html, which will be equal to answer. Let's see whether it's working out. So I'll enter operation 1, then I'll add 3. Okay, 3 plus 4, and then click results. Our answer is answer. Why is it like that? Let me first check this. Oh, sorry, I put this in quotes. It was supposed to be answer. This, it's a variable, so there's no need of putting it in quotes. Let me save and see. I'll say 1. Let me add 5 plus 6 and see. Sorry. So This is because it's just concatenating them, it's not adding them. First of all, I have to convert these variables to integers. So how do I add them to integers? Let me show you. For answer is equal to pass in. I'll say none. Let's save and see. Let me first comment this out. Let's see. Let me add 3, 2. Let me see. Yeah, the result is 5. That's what we wanted. Let me try to do this. Let me say 45 plus 10. Let me click results and see. It's 55. That's it. So for other operations, we shall be using the same logic. Here it was 56 because we are not adding, we are concatenating. So let me go on with all the operations and say else if choice is equal to 2. Let me copy this for now. I'll copy and paste it 2 more times. 1, 2. Here I'll say if choice is equal to 3, if choice is equal to 4, and then I'll copy this block again and paste it here. For choice if it's 2, we shall be doing subtraction, meaning that this sign will change to a minus sign. For choice 3, we shall be doing multiplication, so this sign will change to a star. And then for choice 4, we shall be dividing. I'll use a forward slash, and then I'll say else. If I told the user enters a number which is greater than 4, I'll just do this. I'll say results in HTML equals not a valid operation. Then save. So let's see whether it's working fine. Let me say 2, and then here I say 4, 5. Result is a -1. Let me say 3, which is multiplication. Let me see. Result is 20. Let me say 4. Result 0.8. Yeah. Then let me see. Let me put a number greater than 4. Let me see. Let me put 9 and see. Not a valid operation. It's working fine. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll be happy. Nice time.